Hey, Edward O'Daniel here with VeteranLandlord.com, coming to you to give you some information, 17 ways landlords can make more money. Now, as a landlord, of course, you make money with rent, but there's a lot of other fees and charges and things like that that some landlords actually provide in their lease that should actually be removed and made as a separate fee because you can monetize that. So let's take a look at some of these. 17 ways to make more money. We have an application fee, convenience fee for certain payments, notice posting fee, garage rent, late fees, lease termination or buyout fees of a particular lease, lease violation fees, non-sufficient fund fee, parking fees, month-to-month fee, missed appointment fee, pet rents and deposits. That's always a favorite. That's a good way. People love their pets and they're going to pay, believe me, to pay you a deposit that's non-refundable. I know I'm jumping the gun, but that's a great one. After hours and weekend move-ins and move-outs for tenants, utility processing fees, even appliance rental, vending and laundry, and emergency lockout fee. That's one that a lot of people don't take advantage of, and we'll kind of cover that as well. Now, guys, as we go through here, I'm going to probably hop in with a little bit more information than just about the fees, just to kind of fill in a few things, but that's just because I want to give you guys some great information here. So let's get started. Application fees, I mean, that's pretty much standard. I would always suggest requiring an application fee because the problem is that whenever I've ever done application fees and have not required an application fee, I get lower quality applicants. Just people who either could not afford an application fee or didn't want to risk it. Now, if it's free, of course they'll take their time and submit it. Okay, but if you're doing this by paper, that could take a lot of time, energy, and effort for doing this. So if you're going to have an application, if you're going to process your own applications, then obviously require an application fee. If you're outsourcing this to a tenant screening company, then just make sure the application fee covers their fees for them to be able to do that. So make your fee large enough just to cover any of the background criminal credit checks if you're doing this yourself. Those different types of third-party services will charge you for those, so just make it large enough. Typically, $50 is a pretty good amount to charge for an application fee. Some people even charge more for application fees. But again, there are times on this one here where I will, if I have a rental that is not moving, for instance, I've got a lot of people looking at it, but it's a rental that just doesn't seem to be getting an application, I might tempt them, just like a special, to just do like a no application fee for like the next 24 hours. Like I'll send an email or a text blast or something for all the people who had inquired about the property. And then I'll just send all of them saying, if you're interested, we're offering a $0 application fee for the next 24 hours for anybody that's interested. Just to try to get people to apply and just see what you get on that one.